Monster Jam Demolition Doubles THUNDERROARUS versus Terminal Velocity. Welcome fans to Monster Truck Classics, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the double pack of THUNDERROARUS and Terminal Velocity. The first time that we get Terminal Velocity in a die-cast monster truck. Let's go ahead and check out the back of the card. For Series 35, and we get Catastrophe and Monster Mutt Husky. And then you get Megalodon and Octobiner. And then you get Racing Stripes with Sparkle Smash and THUNDERROARUS with Terminal Velocity. Let me go ahead and start unboxing this double pack. If you don't mind hitting that like button. I'm going to be starting off with THUNDERROARUS first of all. Nothing unusual about the body. It's the same body and everything for this mechanical T-Rex monster truck. And then the white wheels, red tires, a red roll cage, and a white base. And then you can see the motor in there is white also. The driver is in there and he is white. So nothing new for the body itself with the arms or the front claws here going up and down. So I'll just move this around so you can see THUNDERROARUS. So there is THUNDERROARUS. On to now, Terminal Velocity, John Zimmer Jr.'s monster truck for the very first time. Here, in die-cast form, we get orange wheels. On the tires, I wish that they had the BKT lettering in white. That would be cool if they did that. Here is now the body of the truck. We've seen this die-cast body before. I'm just not remembering what other truck that they used it for. But this sure looks familiar back here in the back. But here up top, in the front, I should say, we get some coloring and designing for Terminal Velocity with the name of the truck. On the side of the truck, we get the name of for John Zimmer Jr. So that's very cool. And then we get the Monster Jam logo in the back. Nothing on the tailgate. We switch it to the other side, and then this is what it looks like on the opposite side of the truck. It's nice to have detail for the lights. And then you see some of the color scheme on the hood of the truck. Nothing up top on the roof. And we just turn it around to the other side. So there we have it for Terminal Velocity. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the double packs for THUNDERROARUS and Terminal Velocity. Thank you fans for tuning in.